Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are here to cut through the noise. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, the platform that brings you real-time trading signals and institutional-grade data to help you stay ahead of the curve. Let us get into the action. Micron is leading the conversation, up around 4% today. This move follows an analyst upgrade from New Street Research, which set a price target of $1,250. The broader catalyst, though, is Elon Musk highlighting the critical role of memory storage in the future of autonomous AI, fueling massive demand expectations for Micron's high-bandwidth memory chips. Next, Cerebras Systems is up a massive 15%. This follows a note from Wedbush linking the company to OpenAI's new ultra-fast inference tier, GPT 15.6 Sol, which is powered by Cerebras's proprietary wafer-scale engines. Investors are clearly betting that this exclusive compute partnership signals a major shift in how AI inference is being scaled. Finally, MRVL technology is up about 5%. The move is driven by sector-wide optimism following news of a massive 4-gigawatt data center commitment in Ohio, paired with bullish analyst notes ahead of their earnings report next week. Stocks were mixed today as investors braced for a week of heavy retail earnings. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have been on a 3-week winning streak, but we are seeing some profit-taking after the recent highs. The primary narrative remains the cooling inflation data we saw last week, which has kept the market optimistic about the Fed staying on hold, even if the minutes from the July meeting lean hawkish. Breadth is decent, but the market is clearly looking for the next catalyst to justify these current levels. In the AI economy, the theme today is the shift from experimental tech to core economic infrastructure. We are seeing continued massive capital expenditure, with reports indicating that U.S. venture investment in AI infrastructure hit $194 billion last year. The big story is the infrastructure bottleneck. Companies like Fabrinet are seeing record demand for optical packaging, and the focus is shifting toward inference costs. Gartner noted today that inference costs per agentic workflow are expected to rise 5-fold by 2028, which is forcing product leaders to prioritize efficient compute. This is why we are seeing deals like the $240 million agreement between IBM and Together AI to deploy dedicated Blackwell inference clusters. The race is now entirely about securing reliable, high-speed capacity. Looking at other stocks in focus, we saw significant interest in SpaceX today. The company is trading higher after filings revealed that massive institutions, including Google and NVDA, have billions of dollars in positions, confirming that the biggest players in tech are betting heavily on the space and AI compute intersection. On the earnings front, Fabrinet reported strong results today, with record revenue up 45% year-over-year, beating estimates as AI optical demand continues to surge. The stock is reacting positively to the guidance, which shows no signs of deceleration. Huazhu Group also reported, showing solid growth and announcing a $2.5 billion shareholder return plan, which is driving an 11% move in the stock. Meanwhile, Brookfield Property Partners declared quarterly dividends, keeping income investors focused as they navigate the current rate environment. To wrap things up, we covered the massive moves in Micron, Cerebras, and MRVL, all driven by the relentless demand for AI infrastructure. We also looked at the record earnings from Fabrinet and the broader market's cautious but constructive tone heading into the midweek Fed minutes. If you want to get the edge on these moves before they are fully priced in, visit Fintwit.ai. Like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what sectors you want me to break down tomorrow. See you then.